In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recognize a hacked Yahoo Mail account and how to quickly check if someone else may be accessing your email without permission. Email security is extremely important because if someone gains access to your Yahoo account, they could read private messages, reset passwords on other websites, or even send spam from your account. The good news is that Yahoo provides built-in tools that let you review your sign-in activity and security settings so you can easily spot suspicious behavior. I'll walk you through the exact steps to check this inside your Yahoo account. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech and security tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your Yahoo Mail account. Once your inbox loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. This is usually your profile picture or a small circle with your initials. Click on this profile icon to open the account options menu. This area gives you access to important account settings, including security information and login activity. If you ever suspect that your Yahoo Mail account may have been hacked, this is the first place you should check. After clicking the profile icon, the next step is to select Manage Your Account. This will take you to your Yahoo account dashboard where you can control your personal information, privacy settings, and security options. The account dashboard is where Yahoo stores all of the important tools needed to review your account activity and protect your email. Once the page loads, look for the security option in the menu. Now click on Security. Inside the security section, you'll find several tools designed to help you monitor and protect your account. This includes password settings, verification options, and login monitoring. One of the most important indicators of a hacked account is unusual login activity. If someone from a different device or location signs into your account, it will usually appear here. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Current Sign-ins. Click on Current Sign-ins to view the devices that are currently logged into your Yahoo account. Here, you may see phones, computers, or browsers that are connected to your email. Carefully review this list. If you notice a device or location that you don't recognize, that could be a sign that someone else has access to your account. Next, look for the option called Recent Account Activity and click on it. This section shows a history of login attempts including locations, devices, and timestamps. By reviewing this list, you can quickly identify suspicious sign-ins such as logins from another country or devices you've never used before. If you see anything unusual, it's a good idea to immediately change your password and enable two-step verification to secure your account. And that's how you can recognize a hacked Yahoo Mail account by checking your security settings and login activity. Regularly reviewing this information is one of the easiest ways to keep your email safe. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.